Hello, everyone, and welcome to the product reviews classification section of the webinar. I'm Alisha Shah, and I'm excited to walk you through today's session on hierarchical classification. In this webinar, we'll be exploring a method that offers a structured way of organizing data by breaking it down into different levels of categories, subcategories, and sub-subcategories. We'll be using Amazon product reviews as a practical example to illustrate how this technique can be applied in real-world scenarios. So now let's look at an example of hierarchical classification. Suppose I'm at the Apple store and I'm looking to purchase a cell phone. And I'm very interested in an iPhone because I admire Steve Jobs' vision. But I'm also very mindful about getting the best deal possible and ensure that I get it at a good price. So at the top of our hierarchy, we categorize this as an electronic device with a probability of 0.75, which basically indicates how likely this item fits into a broader category of electronics. Next, within the electronic device category, we narrow it down to cell phones, which holds a probability of 0.8 within the 0.75 electronic device category. This probability basically reflects the confidence that the item is indeed a cell phone. So now further down when we go, we can see that iPhone itself is categorized under cell phones. So here the classification would carry a probability of let's say 0.65. So within the 0.85 probability of the cell phone category, which signifies the confidence level that the item specifically is an iPhone. So this way of hierarchical structure actually allows us to organize and classify the item from a very broad category to specific categories, which provides clarity at each level of the decision-making process. So how does Anode do it? Anode basically offers a solution that uses few-shot learning to make accurate predictions within very less or minimal label data. Whether it's sentiment analysis or document classification or NER, Anode adapts quickly and efficiently. So to get started with Anode, we can just see how it works. Perfect, thank you. So we can say that we can easily start with like uploading our data, whether it's unstructured, structured, or connected from existing data sets. Basically, Anode supports data scraping from websites and gives everyone the flexibility on how you bring in your data. After uploading, we can customize these categories, entities, or questions to fit our specific needs. As we annotate a few examples in the third part of it, Anode basically learns from them to improve its predictions. This active learning process means that we get the most accurate results with minimal effort. And once the model has made its prediction, we can easily download the label data as CSV or deploy the fine-tuned model as an API endpoint for seamless integration with other tools. So now that we've covered the key features and capabilities of Anode, it's time for a demo. Hello everyone. Welcome to this video where I'll be demonstrating how to perform hierarchical text classification using Anode on a dataset of Amazon reviews. Hierarchical classification is a powerful machine learning technique. Let's dive in and see how it's done using Anode. First, go to anode.ai and click on Get Started. Now go to Label. Choose Upload Unstructured. And now upload the file. But before doing that, just add a dataset name. For us, it will be Amazon Reviews. Then select the text classification and set per life decomposition option. After that, upload the file that you want to classify. After hitting next, you can see that you have to customize this file. Now click on Add Taxonomy button and upload your taxonomy file. You have to ensure that if your file has a header, make sure to check the Has Header box. Then add label column and select your main category. Now repeat the step for your subcategory and subcategory. Now click on Create Categories. You'll now see that your categories are listed on your left, such as clothing has multiple categories and subcategories, and under each of them, there are different subcategories. After this, you have to click on Annotation. We are now labeling a few of the reviews. So as you can see that you can choose and highlight the important aspects of it, choose and confirm which ones to do, and skip if you do not want to annotate. As we see here, that it says size, so it'll be something about clothing. Click on size, mark it as important, put it under clothing and confirm it. Now do the same for multiple others. You can also use the search feature to find more and actually do this quicker. Once you've annotated the number that you wanted to, you can go back to customize and click on train model. Now the training will be in progress. Now click next and let Anode take care of the rest. As you can see that now with your reviews classified and categorized, you can download the data by clicking on the green download button in the top right and choose your preferred format. And that's it. We've successfully classified Amazon reviews into a hierarchical structure using Anode. So now that you have seen Anode working in action, I hope you can see the potential it has to streamline and enhance your data classification tasks. So in this final slide, we are comparing the performance of fine-tuned large language models on Amazon dataset using metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall. As you can clearly see from the plots that the model that integrates human feedback such as FTGPT and SetFit generally outperform BERT across these metrics. This demonstrates the importance of combining advanced language model with human insights to enhance the overall performance. The results clearly show us that fine-tuning with human feedback leads to a more accurate, a more reliable prediction, which is very important for applications such as sentiment analysis and text classification. So this is the most important aspect of it.